If you want to factory reset your Motorola Moto G87, we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. For example, you can open settings on your phone, and then you want to scroll down to find system settings. Now over here in system settings, we need to go to reset options, and then here we have erase all data. So we're gonna go over here, you will have a summary of everything that is going to be removed, which is pretty much everything. You can also decide if you want to erase your SD card, and eSIM as well. And then once you are ready, just tap on erase all data and follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on your screen. And keep in mind that you should definitely do a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose, because otherwise you will lose forever whatever you have on your phone. Besides that, you can also use the Find Hub or Find My Device that is provided by Google. So if we go to Security and Privacy, then over here we can choose Device Unlock, and then we should be able to find the theft detection. And then over here in theft detection, we can go to the Find and Erase Your Device. So here we have the Find Hub, which when enabled, you can use, it allows us to use the Find Hub app or the website in order to track our phone and factory reset it. So we can, for example, go to google.com/android/find, and also make sure that you choose your correct account, the same one that you use on your phone. And on your list of devices, you should be able to find your Motorola Moto G87, so you can select it over here. And after that, we have the factory reset device option, so you can select it here to do exactly that. And last but not least, you can also perform factory reset by using recovery mode. But first, we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And over here, we want to power off the phone, just like that. And wait for the phone to completely shut down. Once that happens, press power and volume down button and hold both of these buttons until you go to the fast boot mode. So I'm just gonna press and hold both of these buttons. There we go. Once you see this, you can release both buttons. Use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu and look for recovery mode. Once you can see it over here, press the power button in order to confirm, and then wait and let your phone restart, and soon we should see the no command screen. So it's going to look like this. Once you see this, press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press volume up. There we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Here, once again, we navigate by using volume buttons, and you want to choose the wipe data/factory reset option. Once you have it selected, press power button to confirm your selection, and then here go to factory data reset. And most likely, if you choose that option, you will be back into this menu over here, to Android recovery menu. If that is the case, go to reboot system now. And then you should be able to restart your phone and go back to the normal mode and begin the initial configuration again. Leave a like and subscribe.